Good afternoon, guys. This is episode 18 of the Beginner Trading Mentorship. Finally, I bring on another episode because last videos have been just really pure technical videos and I've not given you any theoretical advantage. So here we are talking about risk management, which is crucial in trading. You can't not have a risk management plan, of course, if you want to be a profitable trader. So just in this video, we're going through how to get your risk management plan. Okay, so first thing, always risk the same amount each trade because we are not capable of understanding whether the trade will be most likely a take profit or most likely a stop loss. We are not able to understand that. So we always risk the same amount. Personally, I risk 1%, but it depends. Okay, so of course, important thing is always consider risks risk in terms of percentage of the account balance. So you don't think of it in dollars, you think of it in percentage points. So if you have a $100,000 account, 1% of risk will be $1,000. If you have a $1,000 account, 1% of risk will be just $10. But you need to think of it as percentage points, of course. So going a bit more deeply into it, the amount you risk for each trade depends on your trading frequency. So, for example, here we have these examples right here. So, if your trading frequency is pretty high, as we can see, you trade a lot of these green arrows means you trade a lot. So, if this is the case, then you should risk one or less. So, 1% or less. Okay, this is usually when you're trading prop firms, you will do this, of course. So this is what I personally do. I trade 1% because I trade nearly every day, yes. Then if your trading frequency is just about medium, so in this case right here, which we can consider as medium, then you'll be risking between 1% and 3%. It depends on how many trades you take. So as you see, there are a few green arrows. So this may be the case when you risk 1.5% or 2%. So it's like when you trade just 2 times a week, about that. Instead, if your trading frequency is really low, so like you trade, let's say, not even once a week, then you might be wanting to risk from 3% to 5% of the account balance. So you might say, well, but I'm going to lose everything a lot quicker than on other stuff. No, because you're trading less, okay? So those are the three ideas of risking. I strongly advise you to never risk more than 5%, of course, and it doesn't matter what's your situation. So personally, I am a day trader. I trade 5 days a week. I take about 3 trades a week, so I risk 1% or less of my account. And so this is how you do it. So just seeing how do you set up such a thing? How do you do it in the TradingView platform? So for example, if you're trading with um a demo account on TradingView, what you should do. So I'm showing you. Let's say I want to, let's say, place an order to buy at this price. So I go with buy. Okay. And here I can set up my stop loss, decide how much I want to risk. So I have here about a $100,000 account. I want to risk 1,000, which is 1%, and it will give me the price at which my stop loss may be. So I can put this limit order in, and I will have my stop loss set up, which I think we can see about, like, as soon as we can get it. So in this case, it's so far away because I just put 1,000. If we want to see the stop loss, we need to like do all this. Maybe in the daily chart we can see not even. You see how low this is. Yeah, not a good example because I was buying just 1,000. So of course. Um. So to set it up, you just go to like buy or sell. So you might go over to trade. You can choose what to do: buy, sell, limit, stop, market, whatever. And you get your stop loss, you decide the price at which it is. So let's say I want to stop myself at 124. So 1.24. Okay, and this is the price I want to stop myself at. And I want to risk 1000 on that, so I adjust the units, and so probably just about of this will be fine. Yeah, 1000, as you can see. So that's how you do it. That's how you set it up on TradingView. So guys, if you watched this episode completely, this means you're probably going to get profitable. You should be excited, bro, because you can get your dream lifestyle with this. So this is all for this video. It's really important. Please enjoy what I'm teaching you and understand it. If you have any doubts, don't be shy. Write in the comments. So this was all, and I'm just telling you, man, you're doing good. You're doing good watching this mentorship. You're doing great. So see you tomorrow.